Hello, this is Anna here from awakenyourheartandsoul.com, and I am participating in Amethyst Mahoney's 30-day video challenge. Today is day 23. My guests are these truly beautiful flowers. The question is, what makes them who they are? They just are, as they are, and that is how they are true to themselves. How do you connect with your true self? By being ignited to shine. Grounded to the root of earth, we shine for all to see. That's what makes us who we are, and how we truly stay. These are truly precious wildflowers, being who they are, not afraid to shine forth their light, sweet and bright, shining for all to see their beauty.